It seems so strange to me that there can be huge thunderstorms all of the day before and then just clears up there, and then tonight a thunderstorm comes again. Anyway, I'm off to Ella in about a few hours. It's going to be a 6-hour train ride. Place is just going to be doing lots of hiking over there in the next few days. Weather dependent, although honestly I'm going to be there, so I'll just go anyway. But it's going to be about, it's going to be thunderstorms the whole time there, supposedly. So, looking forward to it. It's going to be great. Back at the Candy train station, we're heading to Ella. Now, there's several trains that go to Ella. One of them is very, very fancy, called the Ella Odyssey. They release those tickets 30 days beforehand and they sell out pretty much instantly, and they're also quite expensive, but it's definitely the way to travel. I didn't get one of those. In fact, if anything, I think I've got probably the cheapest possible one, third class, no AC. I do have a seat, it's reserved, but it's gonna be a different ride, but I'm looking forward to it. I would love to see, like, the Odyssey is actually leaving before I do, so it's gonna arrive soon, but I'm gonna have a check it out at least. But it's a long ride. It's not particularly far, but it's just going through the mountains. It's gonna be quite beautiful. I hope I have a window seat. Outside of the storms, just look at those clouds rolling over those hills. That's amazing. It's beautiful. And we're definitely in the mountains now. Train's running very late though. It's only about half an hour late. It's also getting a lot colder up here, and I didn't bring it with me. Ah well. And it's still raining. Nice and warm though for the rain. Let's go. Ooh. Gotta get out of this rain. So I'm at my next place. Don't know why, but a lot of the places I've stayed at least the last 2 places, including this one, have been completely deserted. This one here has got the private rooms taken, the dorm's completely empty. The last place I had one guy with me for the first night and then no one for the rest of it. So, I've been safe so far. It's just very, boring. But the one in Colombo was great, and actually the one in Gaul as well. So, we're getting a good mix. Too good, too bad. It's a bit of an interesting first night here. Again, the place I was staying was a bit not sure what was going on, but I've woken up this morning to an incredibly beautiful day, and just look at this. Coming to Ella was to get out of the city, and I've definitely done that. You just see a beautiful waterfall in the distance. So I'm going to have to get over there, or get out of here soon. It turned into a beautiful day compared to yesterday. So I'm not convinced that it's going to last that long. Now I think the climb is to the top over there. But I didn't realise it was basically heading a long way down first, so that's a pain. I can't seem to stay away from the stairs. Oh, nice. Okay, so bit of a climb to this cave. Now I'm hoping that I can keep climbing from here. The guy didn't give me a lot of confidence in that, so I might have just wasted some time. But it's alright, I've still got some very cool views. And it's not the main climb I'm doing. Looking at this, I think my maps have lied to me, but still pretty cool, I will admit. Yeah, there's definitely not a way through. But it's alright. Still pretty cool. It was a pretty decent hike. We'll get a good view from Adams Peak, which is on the other side. That'll be a afternoon job, I think. Sort of doing the hikes in bursts, because we've got about 3 or 4 to do. Pretty sure there's probably bats in here. I think that's what I'm hearing. Should probably go back. I'm going with my second one for the day. So a bit of resting up after the first one. Heat's cooled down a little. Again. Oh. I didn't see that bit over there. So the storm's coming in. So this one should be a bit shorter. Yeah, let's do this. Oh, how quickly it changes. It was such a beautiful day, literally an hour ago. And now, give that, probably could start any time. So, it's a good thing I got tomorrow as well. Ella is a bit of a tourist trap, but I just wanted to get into places like this. And this was recommended to me by a friend from back home, and it's nice. Let's go. Through the bush we go. Such a real beautiful ecosystem here. Just so raw. You can bet on the size of the crowd. Hopefully with the rain, it scared people away, but I'm not going to get my hopes up. Wonder how soaked I'm going to get on my way back from here. Going to head down there to the bridge, cross over, then go from there. Hey, according to this, there's a train in 15 minutes. So that'll be cool to check out if it does come. Let's cross over now and get soaked. That is the direction for Ella. So the train should be, well actually, it doesn't really matter which direction the train comes from. We'll go to the tunnel last, but for now, we'll head across. Okay, so the rain slowed down. I can casually just wait here and wait for the train to arrive. Ooh, what a drop. It's called the 9 Arch Bridge. I should actually count the arches, just out of stupidity on my part. Those train times are probably actual train times. So if it was anything like yesterday, half an hour late. It's picking up now, so I probably won't hang around for that. But we'll do our best. Ooh, right down that way. So I keep on hearing like train noises. I don't know if someone up there is playing it on a loudspeaker or something, but it actually sounds like they are. It's quite funny to me. So taking a quick break in the rainstorm, so we're just going to head back across, head to the tunnel, and then we might go to that viewpoint to wait out for the train. Assuming it's half an hour late, same as the other one. I remember seeing a video of this happening, of the attack. I'm pretty sure that was in Sri Lanka. I don't know if it was here though. It kind of looks like it could have been. I might have to have a find of that video and have a look. But it seems quite likely. Into the darkness. Really awkward if a train was to come right now. I was supposed to arrive 5 minutes ago, which means 25 more minutes. One last look down here, and then I'm going to head up to that viewpoint and wait. Beautiful. I can now confirm the 9-arch bridge has 9 arches. Confirmed. 45 minutes, no trains, and the crowds have grown, has like quadrupled. There was hardly anyone here when I arrived. So, I mean, train could be here anytime. I suspect, as soon as I start walking, it's going to arrive. So we'll slowly start making our way back, and we'll have to do a quick U-turn, then I'll do a quick U-turn. Oh, that will be thunder. As expected, another beautiful clear day before the thunderstorm hits in the afternoon. So we're going to get a really good view of the whole area a little bit later. So Ella itself might be a trap, but this view certainly isn't. Definitely one of the reasons to come. Albeit, it's definitely a trap. That's the climb there. It's pretty steep, but easy enough, I reckon. Nothing I haven't done at Everest. Let's go. Oh. Made it. Just look how low the clouds are. That's crazy. You can see it all the way around. Wow. Now the second viewpoint. Ooh. Ah. It's all in my mouth. How beautiful. I wouldn't stand in front of a moving train, this is so silly. We're getting close. This is so silly. This crowds of people sitting in front of the train. Think about it, this is a good time to end. The train hasn't moved. It's just staying there for photos now. Strange for a commercial thing, but anyway, back to Kandy and Climb over the next few days, and then off to another one. And they're off.